Hi everybody, it's Dan and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going back to pie crust and I'm going to be showing you how to make your own delicious homemade pie crust. A recipe that uses just a few simple ingredients and turns out perfect every single time. I'll be sure to throw everything you need to make your own, along with my tips and tricks so you can bake this pie crust with lots of confidence. Now you might be wondering, Dan, why are we doing pie crust again? We just did it. Great question. Some of you reached out on social media and asked, I don't have a food processor, can I still use this pie crust recipe? I'm here to show you, yes you can. All you need is one large bowl and everything goes right in for easy cleanup and for a quick, buttery, flaky, delicious pie crust. So let's go ahead and get started. First up, you want to add in our all-purpose flour, our white granulated sugar, and a little bit table salt. And then you want to give those a quick little whisk. After those ingredients are all combined and whisked together, you want to start adding in your cold butter. We're going to add in 2 sticks of cold butter. After that butter has been added in, you want to go in with a pastry blender. Now you can use a pastry blender or you can go right in with your hands. Either way, you want to begin to break the butter into small pieces. And we're talking a range of small pieces here, from small pea-sized pieces to about larger clumps, maybe the size of a cashew. Now when I say cold butter, I like to use frozen butter. I'll pop my butter into the freezer for about an hour before I start making my pie crust. When I'm ready, I'll just cut it into about tablespoon sized pieces right into my dry ingredients. Once that butter is broken in, you want to start to add in 3 tablespoons of ice cold water. And begin to bring this dough together with your hands until it becomes a little bit shaggy and less crumbly. As you're working that dough together, you want to add in 2 extra tablespoons of either ice cold water or lemon juice. Me personally, I like to add in the lemon juice because the acid will really help inhibit the gluten from developing as you're working your pie dough together. If you notice though that your crust is still a little bit crumbly, add in maybe an extra tablespoon of ice cold water to again really help to bring it together. To really help as you're gently kneading it together until the dough clumps in a nice, good pie dough ball. Wrap tightly in plastic wrap and let chill for an hour or a week at most. Why not save yourself some holiday baking stress and make this pie crust ahead of time? I know it helps me out a lot, and I'm sure it'll help you all out too. Once you're ready to fill your pie dough, if you're going to be using it right away, you want to go ahead back to your lightly floured silicone mat and roll out your pie crust to about 1/4 inch before you transfer it over to your pie pan. And once it's all baked, you have a perfect basic pie crust that makes any pie better, sweet or savory, and even more delicious. Well, thank you all for stopping by. I really enjoy making this pie crust, and I enjoy showing different ways how to make the same recipe. If you're a fan of pies or holiday pies, or if you're just ready to eat lots and lots of pies this Thanksgiving or maybe this Christmas, definitely give this video a like. Helps me out, lets me know I'm baking up recipes you all like, you enjoy, and you want to see more of. And if you want even more quick, easy, simple recipes, don't forget to click subscribe down below and turn notifications so you don't miss out every time I post a new video. Like maybe a delicious savory meat pie. I've been watching a little too much of the Great British Baking Show, so I'm thinking maybe we can try it. Why not? Who doesn't love a good meat pie? I've never had one, but I'm sure I'm gonna love it. Plus, I still have 19 KitchenAid sandwiches to give away. So if you haven't already, be sure to enter down below. Once you enter the giveaway, you'll have 20 chances to win and lots of ways to enter. Like Tim did from Cutthroat Cakes, he entered and he won the first KitchenAid stand mixer, a nice, gorgeous passion red. I can't wait to see what he's gonna bake with it. I'm super excited, and I can't wait to share it with you. I'm sure it's gonna be delicious and it's gonna look fantastic. Lastly, don't forget, if you whip up this pie crust for your own delicious holiday pie, or meat pie, if you've been watching Great British Baking Show like I've been, definitely give a tag on Instagram. You know, let me see what you're baking up in your kitchen. Alrighty, well I'm gonna go. I'm gonna grab a cup of coffee, enjoy the day, enjoy the weather, maybe enjoy some more Great British Baking Show. But as always, I will see you all in the next video very, very soon. Bye!